interior, in the core and in the mantle and the crust, and some of that sulfur comes out in volcanoes.
Humanity has always been fascinated by Mars, our neighboring red planet. Recent discoveries by NASA rovers and orbiters have reignited an age-old question. Could ancient civilizations have visited or even lived on Mars? Shocking discoveries suggest we're not the first to set eyes or feet on the Martian surface. In this script, we unravel startling evidence of ancient technology and structures hidden in plain sight. Ancient Aliens, Mars rover captures evidence of lost civilization, special. 1. Pyramid structures on Mars. Multiple images captured by NASA rovers and satellites appear to show pyramid-like structures scattered across Mars. One famous photograph from the Mars Curiosity rover reveals a sharply defined pyramid, sparking immediate comparisons to Egypt's Great Pyramids of Giza. Experts remain divided. Some suggest natural erosion processes, but others note the uncanny symmetry and alignment that resemble deliberate architecture. These Martian pyramids might suggest that Earth's ancient pyramid building cultures were not unique, and perhaps we are observing remnants of civilizations predating humanity itself. Chapter 2. The Martian Monolith. In 2009, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter captured an extraordinary image of a mysterious rectangular monolith rising sharply from Mars's surface. The structure, approximately 5 meters tall, appears strikingly similar to the monolith featured in Stanley Kubrick's 2001, A Space Odyssey, fueling immediate speculation among scientists and conspiracy theorists alike. Could this monolith be evidence of ancient Martian civilizations or even extraterrestrial visitors? Skeptics argue it could simply be a natural rock formation, but the geometric precision and isolated placement continue to perplex researchers worldwide. The unanswered questions surrounding this Martian monolith challenge our understanding of geology and invite us to reconsider the possibilities of intelligent life once existing on Mars. Chapter 3. Mars Face, Monument or Illusion. The face on Mars, captured by NASA's Viking orbiter in 1976, stunned the world. Initially dismissed as a trick of shadows, repeated imaging shows an eerily human-like face etched onto the Martian surface in the Cydonia region. While NASA officially labeled it a natural mesa formation, many researchers and enthusiasts continue to argue it represents intentional construction or sculpting. Could an ancient Martian civilization have left this colossal face as a landmark, signaling intelligence across millennia? Chapter 4. The Phobos Monolith Mystery. Mars Moon. Phobos adds another intriguing layer to the mystery of ancient technology. Astronaut Buzz Aldrin famously highlighted an unusual monolithic object on Phobos' surface, captured clearly by space probes. Standing upright, seemingly unnatural, this object has fueled theories ranging from ancient markers to remnants of alien mining operations. The unique positioning and distinct shape defy conventional geological explanations, further suggesting Phobos may hide secrets of ancient extraterrestrial visitation. Chapter 5. Ruins in Gale Crater. NASA's Curiosity rover has explored Gale Crater extensively, uncovering formations that resemble ruined buildings, walls, and arches. These anomalies, while officially explained as natural rock formations, exhibit remarkable symmetry and apparent craftsmanship. Several independent researchers argue these structures closely resemble ancient ruins found on Earth, challenging traditional geological interpretations. The possibility that Gale Crater was once home to an intelligent civilization transforms Mars exploration from scientific curiosity into an archaeological quest for lost civilizations. Chapter 6. The Ancient Martian City at Cydonia. Besides the famous face, Mars' Cydonia region contains formations resembling a sprawling city complex. Satellite imagery highlights geometric structures, straight roads, and clustered buildings, similar to ancient ruins seen on Earth. This area has captivated conspiracy theorists and independent researchers alike, suggesting Mars once hosted sophisticated urban civilizations. Could this region contain remnants of an ancient civilization destroyed by cataclysmic events? The debate continues fiercely. Chapter 7: Mysterious Tubes and Tunnels. Mars imagery has revealed strange tube-like structures partially buried beneath the Martian surface. Some experts suggest these might represent ancient transportation tunnels or artificial habitats designed to withstand Mars' harsh environment. The tubes display consistent diameters and precise alignments, significantly deviating from typical natural geological formations. Are these remnants of ancient Martian transportation systems or underground habitats? The evidence challenges our understanding of Mars' geological history. Chapter 8: Metal Fragments and Debris Fields. Several Mars rovers have photographed metallic-looking objects, suggesting artificial origins. NASA's Opportunity rover famously captured images of shiny metallic debris resembling manufactured components or machine parts scattered across Mars' plains. Scientists initially proposed meteoric origins, but their unusual shapes and reflective surfaces raise speculation about artificial origin. Could these metallic fragments indicate ancient technology or spacecraft wreckage left behind from extraterrestrial explorers who reached Mars long before humans contemplated space travel? Chapter 9: The Martian Doorway Discovery. Recent images from NASA's Perseverance rover show a peculiar formation resembling a carefully carved doorway embedded in a cliffside. Despite NASA's swift explanation of geological phenomena, observers worldwide immediately noted its striking resemblance to human architecture. Its symmetrical shape, vertical walls, and rectangular design defy simple geological explanation. Chapter 10: Ancient Martian Glass Tunnels. Satellite imagery captured peculiar glass-like tunnel structures snaking across the Martian terrain, extending several miles in length. Their translucent and reflective characteristics suggest artificial design rather than natural geological formations. Some speculate these tunnels once provided shelter or transportation pathways for an ancient civilization protecting itself from Mars' harsh surface conditions. While skeptics point to volcanic or geological explanations, their uniformity and continuity defy conventional geological reasoning. These tunnels could be compelling evidence of a lost civilization adapting to drastic planetary changes. Chapter 11: Metallic Spheres on Mars. Mars rovers, particularly Opportunity, have frequently encountered mysterious metallic spheres known as blueberries. Initially thought to be iron-rich deposits formed through geological processes, their perfect spherical shapes and uniform sizes raise questions about artificial manufacturing. Some researchers suggest these spheres could be remnants of ancient machinery or metallic debris from extraterrestrial exploration. Their chemical composition and scattered distribution present ongoing mysteries about Mars' past and potential technological heritage. Chapter 12: The Crowned Face of Mars. Aside from the famous Cydonia face, another compelling image, dubbed the Crowned Face, appeared in high-resolution orbital photographs. This figure exhibits detailed features resembling a humanoid face wearing a helmet or crown, leading enthusiasts to suggest ceremonial or cultural significance. NASA scientists attribute it to natural erosive processes, but independent analyses argue the precise symmetry and complexity indicate artificial construction, possibly representing leaders or deities of a forgotten Martian civilization. Chapter 13: Circular Ruins in Elysium Planitia. In the flat plains of Elysium Planitia, images show precise circular formations resembling ancient ruins or settlements. Their geometric layout, similar to Earth's prehistoric sites like Stonehenge, has ignited debate about possible ancient Martian architecture. Researchers theorize these structures could have served as communal centers or observatories for an ancient Martian civilization. The patterns of these ruins are consistent and complex enough to warrant further exploration and investigation, suggesting potential archaeological significance. Chapter 14: Artificial Lights on Mars. Orbital imagery and rover captures occasionally reveal inexplicable glowing lights emanating from Mars's surface. Some lights appear momentarily and vanish quickly, suggesting artificial rather than natural origins. Hypotheses range from underground volcanic activity to reflections off metallic surfaces, but some researchers claim they could indicate ongoing subterranean Martian activity or functioning technology from ancient times, still operational today. This phenomenon has sparked serious discussions about the possibility of dormant or surviving civilizations hidden beneath Mars' surface. Mysterious light. NASA Mars rover snaps photo of bright light in the distance. ABC 7. Chapter 15. The Martian Stonehenge. NASA images reveal circular stone arrangements strikingly similar to Earth's ancient monument Stonehenge. Situated in isolated areas, these circles display precise alignment and equal spacing between stones. Researchers speculate these Martian circles could represent astronomical calendars or spiritual sites constructed by ancient intelligent beings. Such precise geometric and astronomical alignment is difficult to explain solely by natural geological processes, suggesting deliberate intent behind their creation. Chapter 16. Fossilized Machinery. Mars rovers captured images showing strange, fossilized objects with mechanical shapes, including gears, cogs, and other machine-like components embedded in Martian rocks. While mainstream science dismisses these as mere rock formations, independent researchers argue the complexity and precision resemble engineered machinery. If verified, these findings could indicate ancient mechanical technology existing on Mars, pointing to an advanced civilization predating our own technological development by millennia. Chapter 17. Martian Petroglyphs. High-resolution imagery from Mars orbiters has revealed formations that closely resemble ancient Earth petroglyphs, complex carvings etched into rock faces. These Martian carvings feature geometric patterns, symbolic representations, and animal-like shapes similar to prehistoric human art. The discovery of petroglyph-like formations on Mars significantly challenges our understanding of Martian history, suggesting potential cultural expression by intelligent beings who inhabited Mars long ago. Chapter 18. Martian Obelisks. Obelisk-shaped formations, resembling ancient Egyptian structures, have been identified protruding prominently from the Martian landscape. Their sharp angles, vertical precision, and consistent geometry make natural formation difficult to accept fully. Such structures could be markers or monuments intentionally placed by past civilizations to communicate presence or commemorate significant events. These Martian obelisks compel us to rethink the exclusivity of Earth's historical monuments, inviting the possibility that earthly and Martian civilizations shared common influences. Chapter 19. Martian Anomalies in Atlantis Chaos. The Mars Express orbiter imaged Atlantis Chaos, a region filled with formations resembling structures, roads, and even bridges. Independent analyses suggest this area once harbored a bustling civilization, evidenced by organized patterns too precise for natural occurrences. Its complex layout resembles ancient Earth cities buried beneath sand and rock. This enigmatic region invites speculation about ancient Martian urban life, potentially uncovering sophisticated infrastructure and technology beneath the Martian soil. Fly over Martian, Ancient Atlantis from Orbiting Stereo Camera, Bachao Video. Chapter 20. Subterranean City, beneath Arzia Mons. Mars Reconnaissance. Orbiter detected vast caverns and tunnels beneath Arzia Mons, one of Mars' largest volcanoes. These tunnels connect expansive subterranean spaces that could have hosted ancient civilizations, escaping surface catastrophes or environmental collapse. Given Mars's harsh climate, underground cities could have provided necessary shelter, and these tunnels represent potential entrances into deeper underground habitats. These discoveries have triggered serious considerations about future missions, specifically targeting subterranean exploration, aiming to uncover preserved ancient technology or even life. Chapter 21. The Martian Ancient Wall. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance. Orbiter captured high-resolution imagery revealing what appears to be an ancient wall stretching for miles across the Martian surface. Unlike typical geological features, this structure consists of regularly spaced segments, angular corners, and evenly distributed indentations reminiscent of deliberate masonry. Scientists debate whether natural erosion could create such geometric precision, or if this wall represents remnants of ancient fortifications, protective boundaries, or perhaps ceremonial barriers built by intelligent life. Independent researchers have noted striking similarities to ancient walls on Earth, such as the Great Wall of China or defensive structures in Mesopotamia. The exact purpose of this Martian wall remains uncertain, but it strongly suggests intentional architectural planning. If future Mars missions confirm artificial origins, it could indicate organized societies once thriving on Mars, drastically altering our historical perspective of the Red Planet. Such discoveries challenge mainstream scientific assumptions and encourage further exploration and investigation. This enigmatic wall might ultimately reveal itself as an archaeological treasure holding secrets about lost Martian civilizations that predate human history. Chapter 22: Alien Fossils Discovered on Mars. Mars rovers have repeatedly uncovered rock formations eerily resembling fossilized remains of biological organisms. These finds include structures similar to vertebrate spines, fossilized skull-like shapes, and even microscopic formations resembling bacteria. NASA typically explains these discoveries as coincidental rock shapes, but the frequency and complexity raise serious questions about ancient Martian life. Independent biologists suggest these could represent extinct Martian species preserved in Mars' dry, cold conditions, potentially dating billions of years into the past. The discovery of undeniable fossil evidence on Mars would revolutionize biology, astronomy, and our understanding of life's origins across the universe. Such revelations would suggest life emerged independently on Mars, indicating a universe abundant in biological diversity. These fossil-like structures remain contentious, fueling heated debate in scientific and public communities alike. Future missions aiming specifically to analyze these structures could finally determine whether Mars once hosted diverse ecosystems, profoundly altering our view of extraterrestrial life. Chapter 23: Martian Crop Circle Patterns. Satellite imagery has revealed large-scale geometric patterns etched into Mars' surface, resembling crop circles famously found on Earth. These symmetrical formations display complex designs, including intricate spirals, interlocking circles, and linear geometries, stretching across extensive areas of Martian plains. Natural geological or meteorological explanations fail to account fully for their precise symmetry and complex mathematical relationships. Some researchers theorize these patterns might represent encoded messages or markers from an ancient civilization communicating astronomical knowledge or cultural symbolism. Others speculate extraterrestrial visitors might have deliberately left these designs behind as navigational or informational beacons. The idea of such symbolic communication existing on Mars challenges conventional understanding of intelligent life's distribution across the cosmos. Future exploration of these enigmatic Martian crop circles might unveil mathematical codes or star alignments, offering undeniable proof of advanced intellect once active on Mars. Thus, these discoveries stimulate profound discussions about humanity's search for meaning in cosmic mysteries. Chapter 24: Martian Metallic Obelisks in Utopia Planitia. Satellite scans of Mars' Utopia Planitia region have identified several towering metallic obelisks rising prominently from the barren landscape. Unlike previously discovered rocky obelisks, these structures reflect sunlight like polished metal, casting long, distinct shadows suggesting precisely engineered geometry. Skeptics argue meteor impacts or mineral deposits created them, yet the highly reflective surfaces and perfect vertical alignment suggest artificial construction. These metallic obelisks resemble advanced monuments or markers that ancient civilizations could have constructed for purposes such as territory delineation, astronomical observance, or ceremonial significance. The presence of multiple evenly spaced obelisks across the region hints at intentional design and systematic placement. Speculation abounds that these may represent ancient navigation beacons or energy-conducting structures similar to Nikola Tesla's theoretical towers on Earth. Further detailed exploration could confirm these obelisks as evidence of sophisticated technological capabilities, drastically reshaping scientific consensus on Mars' past inhabitants. Chapter 25: The Martian Shipwreck. NASA's Curiosity rover transmitted images showing an anomaly resembling a partially buried spacecraft, immediately dubbed the Martian Shipwreck. The object features symmetrical design, aerodynamic shaping, and clearly defined edges suggesting mechanical origin rather than natural formation. Initial speculation suggested debris from past Mars missions, but further analysis indicated no human-made craft matches this object. Some propose this artifact is remnants of ancient extraterrestrial craft that crashed and remained preserved by Mars' dry environment. If confirmed, this discovery would provide groundbreaking proof of interplanetary travel predating human civilization. Critics argue the object might result from unusual erosion processes, yet its detailed structural features strongly imply artificial manufacturing. Future missions examining its composition could uncover exotic materials or advanced technology, potentially revolutionizing space exploration and our understanding of alien technology. Chapter 26: Martian Glass Domes. Orbital images reveal several large dome-shaped structures with transparent, glass-like coverings scattered across Mars. These domes appear constructed from durable materials, resisting erosion better than surrounding terrain, leading to speculation about their artificial origin. Researchers theorize these domes could have housed ancient habitats, providing protection from Mars' harsh atmosphere and radiation. Similar dome proposals exist today for future human colonies on Mars, raising questions about historical parallels. Critics cite volcanic activity or meteor impacts as explanations, yet the dome's precise shapes and consistent dimensions remain puzzling. Exploring these domes could uncover ancient habitability evidence, potentially revealing remnants of lost Martian societies. Their existence suggests Mars might have supported civilizations adept at engineering large-scale structures designed explicitly for survival in extreme environments. Chapter 27: Artificial Bridges on Mars. Detailed imagery has uncovered apparent bridge-like structures connecting canyon edges and crossing Martian chasms, defying easy geological explanation. These bridges exhibit engineering traits, precise arch shapes, structural symmetry, and placement conveniently bridging difficult terrains. Natural erosion seldom produces such functional forms, prompting independent researchers to suggest intentional construction by an intelligent civilization. These bridges could represent ancient Martian transportation infrastructure, designed to facilitate travel and communication between settlements. Such discoveries dramatically expand our understanding of possible civilization complexity on ancient Mars. Critics remain skeptical, attributing these formations to natural rock erosion. However, the regularity, strategic placement, and stability of these bridges strongly suggest intentional engineering, compelling future missions to investigate further. Chapter 28: Martian Stone Faces in Argyre Planitia. High-resolution images of Argyre Planitia reveal multiple formations remarkably resembling sculpted faces embedded in Martian cliffs. These faces portray detailed humanoid features, eyes, noses, and mouths arranged strategically across expansive cliff formations. Such intricately carved imagery significantly challenges geological coincidence arguments, suggesting deliberate artistic effort. Could these faces represent leaders, deities, or culturally significant symbols of ancient Martian civilizations? Investigating these stone carvings further may uncover artistic techniques, cultural symbolism, or historical documentation similar to Earth's ancient sculptures. These Martian stone faces could provide invaluable insights into Martian society's psychological, cultural, and artistic characteristics, fundamentally reshaping our perceptions of extraterrestrial intelligence. Chapter 29: Crystal Structures on Mars. Orbital and rover imagery identified massive crystal-like structures protruding from Mars's surface, distinctly different from surrounding geological formations. These crystals display perfect geometric angles, reflective surfaces, and uniform growth patterns, suggesting artificial intervention or manipulation. Theories propose these crystals may have served as energy sources, communication devices, or advanced building materials for ancient Martian civilizations. Such discoveries would profoundly affect planetary geology, engineering, and astrobiology, underscoring Mars as a once advanced, resourceful civilization site. Sulfur crystals on Mars, Curiosity's happy accident, and other surprises. Live public talk. As humanity continues exploring Mars, we edge closer to unlocking secrets that could redefine our understanding of life, civilization, and our place within the cosmos. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and share the video for more.